going, everyone? Welcome back to the HBI Auto YouTube channel. Today we're doing a POV drive on this beautiful 2007 Porsche 911 GT3. So let's go ahead and put this thing in sport. Turn PASM in sport. So this 997 Porsche GT3 does come with a 3.6 liter flat six engine that produces 415 horsepower. So with that awesome flat six engine, you're also paired with this fantastic 6-speed manual transmission. This car does rev up to 8,400 RPMs and it sounds fantastic. This 3.6 liter flat six engine is arguably one of the best sounding engines that Porsche ever made. This vehicle also does have a 5-speed exhaust, so from the outside, I can only assume this vehicle sounds fantastic. Right at 5,000 RPMs, this thing starts to get a really deep growl, and it sounds so awesome. And it's crazy to think at 5,000 RPMs you have another 3,400 RPMs to go. This 997 GT3 has got to be one of the most raw and visceral Porsches I think I've ever driven. Everything just sounds so raw in here. You have no really driving aids in this car. It's just you, this fantastic 3.6 liter engine, as well as this 6-speed manual transmission. And that combination is one of the best that you can ever get from Porsche. If you're interested in purchasing this vehicle, all the links will be down in the description below for you to get all the information you need on this 2007 911 GT3. Not to mention it only has 17,000 miles, so this being a 2007, this is an extremely low mileage example of this beautiful 997 GT3. So that pretty much wraps it up for today's POV drive of this 997 GT3. If you enjoyed what you're watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and if there's any other videos you guys want to see on the channel, make sure to comment down below and we'll be sure to make that happen for you. That being said, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next episode.